Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Swiss Beauty Cosmetics. Today's video is very special for our brides to be because we are going to create this Haldi ceremony look with Swiss Beauty products. Without any further delays, let's quickly start it. So as it's Haldi ceremony and we want makeup to last longer and at the same time it looks natural. So for that I'm using airbrush foundation, which is sweat proof, which gives you natural finish at the same time, which is waterproof also. You can use your finger, brush and beauty blender, however you like it. As it's outdoor ceremony, we would want makeup to last longer, sweat proof, waterproof, so airbrush is the perfect foundation. This gives you very natural finish at the same time give you coverage. Now you can see the coverage also. For eyes, we're going to use 24/7 Passport eyeshadow palette. It's a travel size product. You can see the color also. These are multifunctional colors, can be used to create a different multiple eye looks. So I'm going to start with a lighter color for a crease. Just placing the product and blending the edges. Very pigmented eyeshadow palette, in just one swipe you will get the color. For shine, I'm gonna take, and I'm only gonna use this finger, and you can see how pigmented this looks. Eye makeup is done. You can see how subtle this looks, perfect for day function. Makeup look without highlighting is incomplete, so for that I'm gonna take this color, warming it up, applying it on cheekbone, cupid bow, chin, nose and corner.